This video will show you the features and functions of the Smeg Multi Milk Frother. Equipped with induction technology, the Multi Milk Frother offers 6 preset programs plus a manual function, perfect for preparing a wide variety of hot and cold drinks with or without foam, thanks to the choice of whisks provided. Use the selection dial to choose the function of choice. The program starts with the hot chocolate function, designed to heat milk and melt chocolate flakes into a well-combined, velvety smooth, rich chocolate drink. The next program is hot milk, specifically programmed to produce hot milk without foam, perfect for adding to an Americano. This function can also be used to heat smooth liquids without bringing them to the boil. Hot milk with light froth gently heats and froths to create a light and delicate foam. It's perfect for lattes and chai tea. Hot milk with dense foam creates thick, fluffy foam and works perfectly for cappuccinos. Simply dust with cocoa to finish. The Multi Milk Frother also benefits from cold settings too. This allows ingredients to foam without heating, using the whisk provided. Cold milk with light froth is useful for making many cold drinks, from iced frappuccinos to indulgent espresso martinis. Whilst the cold milk with dense foam creates beautiful drinks such as creamy milkshakes and foamy cold brew drinks. There is also a manual function for both hot and cold functionality, so you can adapt the program length to your liking. With so many uses and functions, the Smeg Multi Milk Frother is the perfect kitchen assistant. Designed to look beautiful on the worktop and froth perfectly every time, this little machine is ideal for any drinks lover. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.